Hello students, welcome to the English class. I am Dr. Ashalata Shankar Teda from JSS Arts, Science and Commerce College, Kukak from the English department. So I am the head of the department. In our department, we are two permanent staff and two more will be joining us as a part-time teachers very soon. So this basic English is going to help you a lot in your future life. You'll be studying the grammar part, which is going to help you in all the competitive exams. Whereas English has been declared as a global language and it is the world's richest language, you'll be benefited and you'll be developing your personality by learning these basic things. Whatever portion has been prescribed for the syllabus now for first sum, second sum and for the third sum, if you are going to take it, it's going to benefit you in future. If you are good at communication, presentation skills, you are going to make up your future and you'll be get selected in the final year when there are placements. So you have to prepare yourself with the basic things like communication skill, the good grammar and also the presentation skill. So don't just try to neglect it thinking that it has been a basic subject. So this time you are going to study prose, poetry and the grammar. So these are the lessons that you are going to study from the prose. The last leaf, very interesting lesson by O. Henry. The Challenge of Forest. Then you are going to study zero budget natural farming. Then the kid. These are the very interesting prose lessons. You'll be benefited and you are going to learn a lot of things. The meanings of some of the difficult words and you'll be learning great ideas from these lessons. The last leaf is talking to you about the mind working, the psychological thing that how man or man's mind work. So you need to poetry. You'll be studying a prayer for my daughter. The road not taken. In everybody's life, there will be two roads. One the path taken, the other which is never trodden, which has been written by Robert Frost. You are seeing that when the challenging things comes to you, which road should you take? It's a very interesting poem, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. A Prayer for My Daughter is by W.B. Yeats. Then Still Arise by Maya. Then How Did You Die by Edmund. You're going to enjoy all these poems. Then Unit 3. It's regarding language activity. It carries 30 marks. So you can see the distribution of the marks there, 25, 25, then 30. 30 marks for the Unit 3. There are word class like nouns, adjectives, verbs and adverbs, then articles, prepositions of place, time and portion, synonymous, antonyms. Then there is introduction, self-introduction and introducing the chief guest, principal, president, family, member, relatives and friends. So 20 marks will be there for the internal, 4 for the first test, 10 marks for the second test, attendance 3, tutorials 3, together 20. 80 marks paper theory, or writing it for 80 marks, total 100 marks. Question paper pattern, 10 objective questions. It is a compulsory question, 5 from prose and 5 from poetry. Carries 10 marks. Second question, annotations. Out of 4, 1 from prose, 1 from poetry. 10 marks again. Then essay type questions. Out of 2, from prose. Carries 10 marks. Essay type questions on poetry. 2 can have a choice here. 10 marks. Then next, short notes. Out of 4 you have to write 2, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry. You can see the marks over there. Then sixth one, language activity. So you can see the distribution of the marks. Together it's 80 marks. So 80 theory paper, 20 internal marks. Together it's 100 marks paper. Hope you have been introduced to the portion. We'll have in the next class one of the prose or the poetry. Just welcome to you again for our English class. Thank you.